The Charlottes have always been a favorite place of ours. Even though the name has changed to Haida Gwaii, the feeling of the island and the peace has not.
Out here at Grey Bay, it's just you and the ocean. Cold air, steady waves, and a flower line in the water. No noise, no crowds, just space to think, or not think at all. You make a cast, take it in, and let the rest go. Fish or no fish, that's what it's about.
So one of us is playing this week, and one of us is working this week. I'll let you figure out which one is which. Oh, and by the way, I'm by myself in the van with Baxter. Ron is in front of me in the truck. That should be a clue to you. Is that better for lighting? So we've been talking about this one for the last little bit. We finally did it, and of course we did it when we got a foot and a half of snow last night, and it has been pouring rain all day today. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little tentative about doing the road, the drive to Rupert, but it warmed up to like +7, so other than a lot of water and stuff on the road, it was fine. Well, right now we're on our way down to the docks. About a month ago, we decided to plan a trip over. Ron's going over to work. Yes, there's the giveaway. He's going over to the Queen Charlotte's, Haida Gwaii, for work for the week. So we're slow at my work, so I thought, you know what? I'm going to load up the van, dig along with them. We'll do some camping on the beach, I hope, weather permitting. I really hope it's better than this. Historically, we'd already had the lawn raked by now. Ah well. Bitching and moaning ain't gonna fix it. So, what do? Book a trip to the Charlottes. Go for a drive. Yeah, sorry about the wiper situation, but that can't be helped at the moment. Hi.
Last name?
Cameron? Yeah.
I just flashed me your ID. Lane 4, please.
Thank you. All right, that was super easy. 10, 11. Let's find 4. All right, we're probably going to be a few minutes. So I think I'm going to stop and take 5 minutes here and go let Baxter out. God, I don't even know where. Fun fact, it is 11:42 at night. Right, we were supposed to be departing at 10 o'clock. Apparently there's a steering pump issue. BC Ferries has finally found a part and they're going to replace it. The next update will be in 2 hours. So that notice was given to us at 10:30. That puts us to 12:30, which means we probably won't get on the boat. My guess is till 2 o'clock in the morning. Ron thinks I was bitchy today. He's in for a surprise tomorrow. It is 1 o'clock in the morning.
I saw you earlier.
That's okay.
Are you able to? Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Candace, thank you so much, Candace. Have a good morning. I don't know.
Whatever it may be
Whatever
right
it may
now.
be, yeah.
Thank you.
See you later.
All right, we made it into our room. Nothing exciting. Nothing to see outside right now. So Ron is still sitting out on the out in the lineup with everybody else, all the other commercial area. He'll be probably at least another half an hour. So yeah, I'm just gonna come in and hang out, wait for him to get here, and then after that, oh, well, next time I see you, it'll be in the mañana. Cheers for tonight.
They have sales and they give you freebies.
It's
Crazy.
Good morning. All right, we are finally getting off the boat. Welcome to Haida Gwaii. Now there's a view I never, ever get tired of. There she be, and now we're headed up towards Skidegate. And we're gonna stop at Jags for breakfast, apparently. One day, I would like to be here for a full season. There's Chief Head Rock, I think that's called. All right, we just pulled into Hayden campsite. Now, this is not where we're going to camp for tonight. We are actually going to go up to a beach access up by Tallel. But I just stopped here because somebody has been stuck in the van all night on the ferry and desperately probably could stand a good play on the beach. So, still some snow on the mountains up there. But give somebody a chance to stretch his legs. Come on. This campsite is located right beside the municipal cemetery. Now, we stayed here 2 years ago when we came over with Gail and Sandy. But FYI, if it's haunted, we didn't see anything. We slept like a log. All right, we are going to head down towards Tallel, and we're going to go down to the beach down there and see if we can figure out where we're going to stay tonight. I mean, it's only noon. We still have lots of time to tootle around. This is the Tallel River. Lots of coho in here in the fall. Very pretty drive in here. Pretty drive all the way up to here. All right, I do believe this is the beach access. Sign even told me so. I am hoping that I can camp here tonight. It's kind of my plan. If not, I'll just go back down the road to Misty Meadows to the campground. So pretty. There's something about the ocean, I tell you. I've Tetrised a lot of stuff into this van. I got our sleeping pads, blankets, lawn chairs, a cooler, lots of camera gear, extra dry goods. So right now, basically Ron is working till 4 o'clock. I'm at Misty Meadows campsite. And actually, I think I kind of like it here tonight better than on the beach. So unfortunately, fortunately, Ron cut me up a whole bunch of kindling to take because everything is so wet over here so that I could start a fire. Well, it's still sitting at home. It did not make the trip. So I stopped at the co-op and bought some. I got a bundle of, I think it's like hemlock and fir and whatever else. And then a bundle of dry kindling. Don't ask me what it costs. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. So right now I am just going to kind of get the van a little bit more organized for the two of us. I don't know if Ron's actually going to stay here tonight or not, because he does have a room at the Haida house that we just went and checked out. So he has a room there. So we can go over there, shower, whatever we need to do. He may go back there. I mean, technically he's here to work. So I don't want to impede that. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. So for now, I'm just going to putter at getting some stuff done here. All right, Baxter has had dinner and he's gone to bed. He's done for the day. Our dinner tonight, Nan on the fire.
Nan on the fire.
Nan on the fire. Butter chicken with carrots, cauliflower, chicken, potatoes, sauce. Ooh, I'm getting all steamed up. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try that. There we go. Yeah, those are going to get warm for sure.
That one in particular. These ones not so bad.
All right, we're going to have dinner. I'm going to finish my beer. Where is it? Ron got me today from the Skeena River Brewing Company. And this one is You've Changed ginger, raspberry, hibiscus. What the hell does it say at the end? Ale? Okay, I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. And Ron is having, where's yours? Quad Father. Look at that, 10.2%.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like it.
No. All right, we're going to have dinner, and that's going to be it for today.
Way too smooth.
Way too smooth.
For a 10.8, yeah.
And yeah, we'll start all over again tomorrow. So day 2, I stopped at one of the local touristy spots right here, Jungle Beach. I just mentioned it's one of the few beaches along this stretch of road that it's all gravel there, and now this beautiful sandbar, and then more gravel back there, which I might just take a little walk out there while the tide's out as far as it is. While I'm here, I found it's not like it was lost or anything, but this just happens to be sitting here. Some little lookout tower somebody built, and they went to a lot of trouble. There's a lot of cement and concrete in here. Not sure what the reasoning was, but sometimes things just are. All right, come up to the top. Look at the van, parking lot. More importantly, the beach. All right, let's just go for a little walk down to the beach while the tide is out. So I have to admit, I almost skipped by this beach. Again, we have stopped here before, but I'm glad I stopped and we hung out here for a little bit. With only a couple of days here, we've had to narrow it down and pick just a few parts of the island to explore. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe and come along for the next one as we keep discovering what this island has to offer. Cheers!